Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore how to set up configuration-based Microsoft Authentication in the ZIEWeb-Client. On the ZIEWeb server, there is an option called Automatically Log Users on ZIEWeb Application using their Windows username. When this option is enabled for configuration server-based deployments, it allows users to sign in with their Windows credentials. By enabling the corresponding setting in the ZIEWeb-Client, users can then access the configuration server-based login page using their Microsoft account credentials. To begin, register the ZIEWeb-Client application in Microsoft Azure using your Microsoft credentials. Sign into Microsoft Azure and select App Registrations. Select New Registration. Enter the application name. Choose the appropriate account type. Configure the single-page application platform by providing the ZIEWeb server URL where the authentication response should be returned. Then, complete the registration. Once the application is registered, get the client ID and which needs to be configured on the ZIEWeb-Client build. Navigate to the ZIEWeb server directory and open archive the ZIEWeb.war file. Edit the web.xml file.
Add the client ID and redirect URL in web.xml file. Save the file and update the ZIEWeb.war file. Let's create a configuration server-based model in the web-based deployment wizard. Log into the ZIEWeb-Client admin console. Launch the web-based deployment wizard and select the configuration server-based model. In the Logon Type panel, select Automatically Log Users. If users are from the Windows domain, enter the dummy value. Select Yes and enter the group name where the user needs to be created. Click Next. Complete the creation of config-based page. After the page creation, restart the ZIEWeb Service Manager to save the changes. Launch the config server-based model in ZIEWeb-Client. While launching the config server-based model, Microsoft Authentication pop-up will appear. Allow the pop-up and here, users need to provide MS credentials to log in. After successful login, the config server-based model page will be launched. And the user can see the Microsoft ID login name. Launch the ZIEWeb admin client. For the first time login, the user will be created with the name of MS Mail ID's first half under the mentioned group. With this feature, users can access the configuration server-based model page in ZIEWeb-Client through Microsoft Authentication.